Okay. Hi, I am architect Medel Garcia from the Philippines. I'm with my wife.
I am architect Cristel Garcia from the Philippines also. We came from the Philippines and we wanted to see the factory of Blue Elephant as we are eager to purchase their machines and equipment on laminated machines, and we are happy with the service and with all the engineers that assisted us.
Yeah, we have a construction company in the Philippines, and we wanted to upgrade our machines. So we're happy with the Blue Elephant company, and we're very satisfied with the quality that we saw here in the factory.
And especially to Miss Penny.
Yeah, special thanks to Miss Penny.
We're very happy with the service and with the whole staff.
And hopefully, the after sales, we expect more in your after sales.
That's it. We are a happy customer.
We have 2 thumbs up for you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.